G'day guys. Today we're going to be using the digital angle cube to set the angle on the jig system. How we do this is we get our angle cube, turn it on, set it to our base here. This is our zeroed platform. We hit the 0 button, then we put up into a guide rod just here. This is magnetic, so it will hold the cube in place while you're adjusting. Currently we're at 27.25 degrees. What we're going to do is make an adjustment here with the macro adjustment. Then we're going to dial it in with the Exacudrive as a micro feature. What we're trying to do is get close to, but not exactly that 17 degrees. You can see the angle's dropping as you go down. What you want to do is get close to the angle. So for example, 17.15, 17.1. What we use now is the Exacudrive gear, just ever so slightly lower that angle even further. Get our 17 degrees. We'll take our cube off. And what you'll now find is that this stone is sharpening this edge at 17 degrees. So as you're scrubbing, you know that every stroke is getting 17 degrees.